Holly. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to our home for the holidays. Today's video is going to be me sharing with y'all our home for the holidays. Now, it's not really our Christmas decor because we have a neutral palette. I've not pulled out any of my reds, my Santa Clauses, my nativities. We do have one on top of the tree, but it's not really what I call my Christmas decor. This is more my holiday Thanksgiving decor because we do host Thanksgiving in our home. And so I go ahead and put up our trees, our garlands, and all of my just neutral decor for the holidays. Like my neutral balls that can go like my new tortoise print in black and white and just whites and greens and blues. And then right after we get through hosting Thanksgiving, I start going ahead and pulling out all of my reds and Santa Clauses and things like that. I personally love doing it this way because I do love a neutral Christmas. I think it's so pretty and it's just fun to just kind of dip your toes into the Christmas decor and then go all out after Thanksgiving. Now, I am not opposed at all to going ahead and having all of your Christmas up and celebrating Thanksgiving. I'm not one of those that's like, don't forget about Thanksgiving, don't forget your Thanksgiving decor, or you're forgetting about Thanksgiving if you put up your Christmas tree and eating your turkey with your family at the table. That is not me at all. It's just, personally, it's fun for me because I love being creative and decorating. And so it kind of gives me a head start on getting the decor up. And then I get to finish it off for the season after we host Thanksgiving. And we actually do our Thanksgiving in our home a week before Thanksgiving. So that gives me time to get all of our Christmas up and then enjoy it a little bit longer. So that's just what I love to do. And that works out for me and my family. Also, I want to mention that I am going to share with y'all a night tour of our home because it just feels so cozy with the Christmas lights twinkling and then the candle lights on. So I'm going to give y'all a night tour. And we're going to actually jump back and I want to welcome you all into our home for Thanksgiving. And I hope that y'all enjoy just celebrating and being with our family. I feel like so many of you have just followed me for years and years now, and I definitely feel like y'all are part of our family. So I love just filming little clips of our holiday traditions and hoping that it just makes you feel included and invited in. So Drew goes ahead and puts up all of our wreaths and outside lights, and then we add the red bows to them after we get through hosting. And it sounds like a lot of work, but it's really not. It just is putting up all the hard things and then going in and adding the red after we host. And I just love it, and I love the way that it feels and looks. And I do love the neutral Christmas palette and just throwing in a few of my little turkey pieces that I have. And then I also framed some of our pictures that we took last year with our Thanksgiving with our family and just looking back on sweet memories. Have just loved every evening having the lights on from the tree and the candle glows and just watching, honestly, YouTube videos. I don't ever watch Netflix like Christmas movies that much until Christmas time actually gets here, but I've been loving watching lots of my friends on YouTube share their Christmas decorating videos and what they're doing, and it is so much fun and relaxing to me. That's how I like to wind down at night. So I do have videos of me decorating our home for the holiday, so if you want to go back and watch those. And then I also do have some coming up of us going to be decorating for Christmas, and then we'll have a Christmas home tour, and then lots of other friends and families Christmas home tours coming, and then sharing lots of fun Christmas traditions with y'all. I feel like I say this every year, but each year we do something different and add a little bit more to our collection. And after being in this home, I believe this is going on 3 years. Is this our 3rd or 4th year of decorating? I just love our home. Everything is just looking so put together and cozy and peaceful and just really at home. And so even after fall season was over, I was not ready to take down our fall decorations, but then once I got these decorations up, I loved them too. And now I'm not ready to retweak this and add in Christmas, but I know once I get those up, I will love it as well. I have just so enjoyed decorating this home for every season, and I hope that y'all have enjoyed coming along with me on the process of doing it all. And thank y'all just so much for being here with me and just growing with us, collecting all these items in our home, and just all the recipes that we've shared and the family traditions I've been able to share with y'all. Thank y'all so much for just loving me through it all.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
So I shared with y'all in a previous video that we got new bedding, and I love this bedding. I got it from Belk. I will be sure to link it down below, but I got it monogrammed from our local So Charming, and I thought it was just precious. I love this. It looks like a luxurious hotel, but just simple and southern, and I just thought it was the perfect bedding to complete our room. I also got a new headboard and footboard, which I will link down below too, because I'm sure they will be having Black Friday sales, and it comes in different colors. Now I wanted the light wood, but it never would come back in stock, so I went for the white one, and so I'm wondering if I need to stain it a light wood color now that we have everything completed in here. So y'all let me know what you think now. Do y'all like the white headboard, or do I need to stain it like a light wood color? So let me know in the comments down below, but like I said, I will link it. It is so beautiful and great quality, and it was fast shipping. I really liked the white one too, so I was like, I think I will just get the white one and then keep it for a little while, live with it for a little while, and then decide if I want to stain it, because it will be so easy to stain. So we will see, but just let me know first impressions what you think that I should do. We definitely will not be doing anything until next year because we're going to enjoy it for the holiday season. I'm going to go ahead and make a pumpkin pie. And I wanted to share with y'all our caraway pots and pans because they are having a huge sale right now. Look how beautifully these organize up under our cabinet. We have had these, I think, 4 or 5 years now, and they still look brand new. And they are non-stick and non-toxic, and I do have a promo code, so I will link that. And if you're in need of a new set of pots and pans, or friends or family for the holidays need some, like I said, I'm going to link them down below. They're having a great sale, and I'm going to give y'all my promo code. You can see we are mixing together sticky, big things of marshmallows. And like I said, these pans are non-stick, so I didn't have to put any kind of butter or oil in them, and they clean up so nicely, and it's just so satisfying to even wash them just because I can just run them under hot water and everything just glides right off of them. But I'm gonna link this pumpkin pie recipe in the comments down below because it was delicious and it was so easy to make. It was so fluffy and just different than any pumpkin pie that I've ever had. I actually got this recipe from a girl I follow on Instagram. I'm sure a lot of you follow her too. Her name's Macy Blackwell, but I will link it down below if you want to try it for your Thanksgiving dinner.
Go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents.
So we have more than 6 people coming tonight, and one of our families got sick, and there's like 9 people in that family. It's my cousin Camille and them. So some of them are sick, so they won't be here. Usually I set up tables in the garage for the kids to eat and run around and play. If y'all have watched my Thanksgiving hosting videos in the past, but since there is a smaller group of us now, I can fit another table right here, and then I just want to make like a long table so we can all eat together. My grandma loves that. She used to clear out her living room and set up tables so we could all sit together, and so I want to do that too. And so I'm going to move some things around. We're going to reset this because I'm not keeping all of this out. Put it away and make it more practical for a big group of people sitting around the table. Still make it pretty, but just change it up a little bit.
Oh, I forgot. Happy birthday. Is in October or November?
Only hair sometimes.
1
huh?
point if you're wearing a belt. Gobble, gobble.
Hold on, let me get my double chin ready.
Okay, so what's the turkey say?
Grandpa,
Who's the biggest turkey? 1 point if you have hazel or brown eyes, if you wear something brown. It's on Pinterest.
1 point if you would choose ham over turkey.
What?
If you choose ham over turkey.
And Gracie got on Melissa's.
Okay friends, well that is all for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed being with us for Thanksgiving, and I hope that this video maybe inspires you on maybe if you're hosting Thanksgiving in your home, maybe gives you a few ideas or different ideas on something that you would like to try. So let me know in the comments down below, and let me know your Thanksgiving Day traditions. When do you celebrate it? We actually Thursday do nothing with either sides of our families because everybody else has places to go. So Thursday we just have like a breakfast morning at home. We turn on the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Pray and Chill Day, and I love it. And this Thanksgiving is actually my grandma's 85th birthday, so y'all be sure to tell her happy birthday in the comments down below. But we have something fun in the making, something fun, a little surprise for her that we hope works out. My dad is supposed to actually be having surgery the day before Thanksgiving, so y'all just say prayers that he's able to come home and we are able to celebrate my grandma all together. I'm hoping that I will see you girls again. Usually I'll post a video on Thursday, but Thursday is Thanksgiving, so I have another video in the making of some DIY Christmas ideas. I've been sharing with y'all that over on Instagram. If you want to go follow me over there, I've been giving little sneak peeks of them. I'm hoping to post that video on Wednesday. Also, Petals from the Past, they're having their Christmas open house, and I always take y'all there with me. Usually I go YouTube live where I will just film it as a video as itself, but I thought I would just add that to the end of that video. And I love Petals from the Past is actually our local plant nursery, and they go all out for their Christmas open house. They have delicious treats and goodies, and so it's just a tradition my mom and I have done for many years. So we have it on the calendar and we're planning on going there, so I'm gonna take y'all with me. We're gonna shop around, and we're here, y'all. The holidays are here. Hope that y'all have the most wonderful and magical Thanksgiving with your family, and you are able to create the most precious memories. You get your bellies full, and also not only enjoy it with your friends and family, but also be thinking of the ones that are struggling this holiday season. Maybe reach out to someone to see if they need help this holiday season, whether it's a little bit extra cash, or maybe needing a little bit of work done in their home, maybe just a home cooked meal, just donating clothes, toys, or those angel trees. Just always keep that in mind. I know that we can get so wrapped up in the holidays and making the memories for us and our family that we forget about those that are really struggling and need help this time of year. And so I just want to be a reminder for myself and y'all also to just be in remembrance and mindful of that. Maybe just pray that God puts it on your heart for things that you can do to help brighten other people's and families' days and holiday season. I love y'all so much. God bless y'all, and I will see you girls on the very next one. Bye, friends.